Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the chapter pronouns video. What is the pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Suppose I said Rima is a good girl. If I use she in place of Rima, what is the she? She is the pronoun. Let's discuss different kinds of pronoun. First we will discuss personal pronoun. Personal pronoun in which she, me, you, it, we, you, they, them, us, him, her, me, I, all the words are belong to it. The word I, we, she, he, it, they and you are the personal pronoun. Pronoun that stand for a person or a thing are called personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are of three kinds: first person, second person, third person. First person, I, me, we, us. The first person is person who is speaking. Who is speaking. Second person, you. The second person is person being spoken to, जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. थर्ड पर्सन, जिससे बात की जा रही है. सेकंड पर्सन, जिससे बात की जा रही है. थर्ड पर्सन, ही, शी, हिम, हर, इट, दे, देम. थर्ड पर्सन इज पर्सन बीइंग स्पोकन अबाउट. थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन, जेंडर, नंबर, देयर पोजिशन इन अ सेंटेंस. Let's study the table to learn about the personal pronoun. In singular, first person I, object is me. Second person you, object is same. Third person he ka him, she ka her, it ka it. Now in plural, first person we, second is object is us. Second person is the same, and third person subject is they, object is them. Let's discuss I am a student. What is the I? I is the first person. Do you know her? What is the you? You is second person and her is third person in singular. They met us yesterday. They is a third person in plural and us is first person object in plural. They were waiting for him. They is same third person and him is the singular is the third person. So this is the first person, second person, third person. Let's discuss different kind of pronoun. Pronoun that are used to point out the pupil or thing are called demonstrative pronoun. In this pronoun, the words belong this, that, these, those. That is a book. This is my book. These are your shoes. Those are my shoes. Now, next is pronoun that are used to ask question are called interrogative pronoun. For example, what, who, whom, which are the used to ask the question. Which is your house? What is your name? What are you doing? Who is knocking at the door? Whom do you want to meet? All these words are belong to the interrogative pronoun. Let's discuss reflexive pronoun. Pronoun that refers back to the subject of the verb are called reflexive pronoun. For example, she saw herself in the mirror. Sid hurt himself. She poured herself a cup of tea. Now, all of you have seen that all the words, all the reflexive pronoun is followed by the verb. Is followed by the verb. Now the next, pronoun that are used to emphasize are called emphasizing pronoun. For example, he himself distributed the invitation card. She made the cake herself. I myself completed my work. These pronoun followed by pronoun or noun. This is the note. Emphasizing pronoun cannot be used as subject. For example, Priya and myself studied together. Wrong. Priya and I studied together. There are sometimes many confusion between reflexive and emphasizing noun. So I want to clear this by one thing. You have to remember only reflexive pronoun followed by the verb. And emphasizing noun is followed by the noun and pronoun. It's very simple. कभी कभी लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत कन्फ्यूज़न है दोनों में, बट देयर इज़ नो कन्फ्यूज़न. Exception case can be found in every field. Okay.